Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 7, Chapter 6, Wind, Storms and Cyclones. Video part 2, question number 21. Which effect says that direction of airflow is affected by the rotation of the earth? So this is your Coriolis effect. Actually, Coriolis effects uh, says due to the rotation of the earth, the movement of the air is from north pole to equator and again from the north pole to equator in this way, and from south pole to equator and from then equator to south pole in this way. Okay, this is your option C. 21 answer is option C. Question number 22. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Air expands on heating. So yes, if you heat the air, here the experiment is showing actually a test tube is taken and this tube has a balloon on it and this test tube is dipped in the hot water. So due to the hot water, the air inside the test tube becomes hot and it just enters into the balloon and it inflates the balloon. So it means due to the expansion of the air only the balloon gets inflated. Okay. So we can say air expands on heating. Air contracts on cooling. So yes, air contracts on cooling. You can see this example if you just keep a bottle, half filled bottle in your refrigerator. After some time, when the water becomes cool, so you can see the water just squeezed little bit. It is squeezed. So why? Because the air cools on air contracts on cooling. Okay. Air pressure reduces with increasing speed. If the speed will increase, so air pressure will reduce on it. So this is also correct. Cool air is lighter than warm air. No, warm air is lighter than cool air. This is wrong. The 22nd answer will be option D. Question number 23. Center of the cyclone is known as. The center of the cyclone, this is your the center of the center and this is known as eye of the cyclone. The 23rd answer will be option B. Air pressure at poles is dash, air pressure at equator is dash. So air pressure, actually the air at the pole is the cold air, so that's why there will be high pressure, and air at the equator will be warm air, that's why their pressure will be low. So answer should be A. 24th answer is option A. Question number 25. The Arabic word from which word monsoon is derived is. So this is your Mausim. Mausim. It is in the option number A. The 25th answer is option A. Question number 26. Winds with high speed buzzes. So the more the speed, the kinetic energy. Okay, the high kinetic energy. Actually, potential energy is due to their position and kinetic energy due to their speed. The 26th answer will be your option B. Question number 27. Factor which is not responsible for the occurrence of cyclone. So, the temperature is the responsible, humidity is responsible, wind speed is responsible, but altitude is not responsible. The 27th answer is the option D. I have shown here all the factors affecting cyclone. Okay. Question number 28. Thunderstorm most frequently occurs in along the line of equator? No. Hot and humid tropical area? Yes. Temperate region and poles? No. The 28th answer will be option B. 29. Which of the following does not occur due to air pressure difference? Cyclone occurs due to air pressure difference. Typhoon also due to air pressure difference. Earthquake is not due to the air pressure difference. Hurricane also air pressure difference. Earthquake occurs due to the movement of the tectonic plates or some other reason. So that's why 29th answer will be your option C. Question number 30. Lightning conductor was discovered by. It is discovered by Benjamin Franklin. It is in the option number C. The 30 answer will be option C. Question number 31. Wind can be defined as. The wind means moving air. Moving air is known as wind. So 31 answer is your option C. Question number 32. Fill in the blank with the most appropriate option. Dash is caused by the high speed wind. So high pressure, rain, volcano or low pressure. So high speed wind is caused due to the low pressure, because if the pressure is low, means there is the vacuum, means the warm air just rises up and there is the no air, that's why pressure is low, and to maintain this pressure the air from the another zone rushes to it, and when it just come to it, then high speed can blow, wind can blow. So 32 answer will be your option D. Question number 33. Air on heating. So on heating, it will move upward. Why upward movement? Because air on heating becomes lighter, and as the weight is light, it goes up. Okay, warm air rises up. So 33rd answer is option C. Question number 34. Which region among the following gets maximum sunlight? So maximum sunlight, you can see the equator region. Equator region, maximum sunlight. 34th answer is the option C, because the sunlight can reaches directly to it. Question number 35. DAS helps us to announce a cyclone alert. So satellite helps us to announce a cyclone alert. The 35th answer is option A. Question number 36. Which among the following will have the lowest atmospheric pressure? So lowest atmospheric pressure, you can see here, Missouri is at the lowest atmospheric pressure. All the states, all the places are shown here. Delhi is here, okay, and Gujarat, this one, Mumbai, this one, and this one is the Missouri. And Missouri is at the low pressure. Missouri is at the low pressure zone. 36th answer will be option D. Question number 37. Cyclone in Philippines is known as, so you can just see Philippines and Japan. So in the Philippines and Japan, it is known as typhoon. Okay, so option B. 37th answer is in the option B. Hurricane is in the USA. Okay, and India, it is known as cyclone. Okay? Hawaii, also USA, cyclone is known as the Australia, it is cyclone only. Okay. 38. Question number 38. Which instrument is used to measure air pressure? So air pressure can be measured by the barometer. Okay. Rain gauge measures the amount of rain occurred. Hygrometer, humidity, ammeter, current, and barometer pressure. So 38th answer will be option C. Question number 39. Air dash on cooling. So air contracts on cooling. Okay. It is in the option B. 39th answer is the option B. Question number 40. Pressure of air dash when it moves with high speed. So pressure when it moves with high speed, the pressure of air reduces. Okay, if the speed is high, pressure is low. Speed is low, pressure is high. Okay, the 40th answer will be option B. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.